Hi, welcome to To Draw. Today we're going to draw Spider-Man Noir from Marvel and also Fortnite. So let's get in at the top. Let's draw his hat. Get in at the top in the middle. I'm just going to do like a little curve. So let's just start off on maybe the right part of the middle. What we're going to do is just going to go down and up just to draw that sort of type of hat he's got. Let's move our pen down either side of that now. So just going to draw like the top of the hat part, either side of that, okay? So sort of two lines slightly diagonally out. The brim of the hat kind of comes down slightly diagonal. Let's just pop in like a little band, or like the little band of the hat. So just bring it in. And then he's got the brow of the hat. So we're probably gonna come out from maybe from there, probably gonna come down to about here. Let's just draw, clip the top edge there, around here and down there. Just join it up to that band as best you can. Kind of clips up in the air there. Then this comes around and there's a face. So Spider-Man Noir's face is there. So what that means is kind of could come down to maybe that point. So just gonna bring my pen down, just gonna draw face down here, chin there, come back around up to the top here. Then we can just draw in side there, nice little curve, colour that in, sort of the back of the hat. And here as well, kind of comes around to the back, colour that in too. And now I've got that sort of nice sort of face in. I'm going to do two sort of circular elements for the eyes. So there's one here, sort of just above or just below the brow of the hat. I'm just going to do a nice sort of circle there. Then another one, nice sort of circle here as well, okay? And that kind of just goes across sort of like the glasses he's got. So just gonna give it sort of wider rims either side of that. There we go. Okay, that's in. Okay, here we go, now we've got the face. So just gonna draw that face in a bit sturdier, I guess, around there. And there's a little bit of a neck and sort of a browed or wide neck top. So I'm just going to draw a band underneath the chin. Just bring it up either side of that like that. Now I've got that in, what I can work out is the big old collar around him. So let's go up to about this point of the face. Yeah, but this point here. I'm just going to draw that collar. We're going to come out probably to say about this point. Just draw a nice curve. So we'll come around to there. And this side we're going to probably come to about this point. Maybe this one comes up a bit higher, so just bring it up and down. That's like the curve, sort of like it's really sort of flying out of the collar area. It comes back in, like that, either side there. Then we've got another little part that comes out, so it pops out again. So it draws like a little arrowhead. It comes in again like that, okay? Right, now we've got that bit in. What I'm going to do is sort of work out the middle area. So from sort of this point here, kind of comes around here. So I'm just going to sort of join those elements up. So just sort of join that up there. And this side, sort of join that there. So it's just got that sort of curve coming out there. And it's what the convention of the coat sort of comes down this way. So let's pop that in actually. So our torso is going to be about here-ish. Our legs are going to come down to about here. So our coat comes right out. So I'm going to just draw a nice long line down here now like that. And on this side, I'm going to come out, I'm going to draw curve of the coat out here like that. So now I've got those bits in. I'm going to pop, like, let's think, like just out of here, the shoulder area, just above that little curve there. There's another little shoulder area there. The inner part, sort of underarm, is going to be sort of there, sort of there. So from that point, I'm going to just draw, sort of pinch it in a bit here, but then come out, sort of curve out with that coat there, join it up. And under here, kind of comes in again, and then kind of flicks out at the end there. We'll just join that up like that. Now I've got those bits, I can just draw the torso area. So come down to about this point, let's draw a nice buckle for his belt. And what we'll do, we'll just pipe the inner part of that. couple of little bags and little sort of panels and things on the belt. So I'm just going to draw a couple of little rectangles, sort of denote that, a little square there, and just join it up there, okay? You can kind of see the inner part of his sort of clothing here, so I'm just going to bring my pen up and up like that, so it kind of shows like the coat's coming around there. So I've got that in there. There's also a little band going across sort of his chest area, so I'm just going to draw a nice little line there. Then there's another couple that kind of come up this way, so I'm just going to sort of draw a couple of little lines like a band there, and I think it sort of curves up sort of from that edge of the circular point there sort of down, so a couple of lines like that. There we go. That inner part there, let's colour that in. So we've kind of got it sort of coming together here. Let's move down to about this point, just draw the inner part of the legs. Then what I'm going to do, just bring my pen down sort of this way, like that, to the knee area. This side, same sort of thing, bring my pen down, so kind of like a knee area. And then we can just draw a nice little circle, sort of curved little band, just for the legs. From this point here, I can do two little curves down to draw the long boots that he's got on. So I've got one sort of coming down this way, one coming down here. On this side, similar sort of thing, curve there. This one's behind the leg there. Just draw it in like that. Got the back of the coat going on here, so I'm just going to draw a little curve by the leg there, then around that way. There we go. And then I can draw the feet in here. So this one's coming out this way, probably to about here. So I'm just going to draw a nice little curve out of the boot to the toe area, back round there, nice little curve up to the heel and up. And this side, this boot's coming out a bit further this way, sort of more forward. So probably down to about here. So let's just draw like a little bit of an ankle either side there. And then we're going to come and like right out here and around there, sort of show the front of the boot and then taper in. So you've got that sort of taperedness. That looks pretty good there, okay? Okay, now I've got that in, let's get these arms sorted out. Let's do this left hand one first of all. So I'm going to come down first of all to about, say, sort of this point. I'm going to maybe denote that little curve there. That's going to be like the crease of the arm where the elbow is. I'm just going to bring my coat down to about there. This side in here, nice wide sort of bit, just going to come out a little way there. Then I'm going to bring out and do the forearm part. Just going to bring my pen down sort of to about this point, and then it's a nice sort of chunky cuff across there, join it up there. There's a little band in there, so I'm just going to draw a nice little band on that raincoat. That's all I need to do there. On this side, similar sort of thing, just on the other side of the coat. So let's just bring out the shoulder a little bit there. And then we do the same sort of thing. So we've got a sort of crease in the coat about this point, so just draw a nice little crease in there to denote like the middle of it. And then we're just going to bring our pen down, sort of crease in the middle there. Nice sort of chunky coat on the inner part as well. Then we're going to come down to the same sort of point. So just bring your pen down a bit, either side there like that. And we're just going to pop a little curve in. And again, little band, either side that for the coat. Okay. Right, now I've got that in, let's do the hands. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to draw the thumb area first of all. So the hand's going to be around sort of this point. Just bring your pen down there, draw a nice little thumb, bring your pen back up. I can colour all this in black. Then we're just going to sort of show a little finger coming down this way like that, bring it back up to the mid point, and then we're just going to sort of just pop a few little fingers in there. There we go, just cover that around there, that's looking good. On this side, same sort of thing, gonna have a thumb coming out sort of this way, so just sort of like a little oblong in black there. And then we can just sort of draw in the rest of the finger, maybe it's sort of curve around this way. So we've got sort of like the outer part there. And then we can just have a few little fingers inside, just sort of showing, sort of denoting that the fingers are there too, okay? Cool, all right, that's the inking part, kind of the outline part done. Let's look at like inking them up now. So this is quite a tricky one because it's Spider-Man Noir. So what I'm gonna do is like a fair bit of cross-hatching first of all. So there's a lot of light coming down on this way. So what I'm gonna do is just start sort of popping in a few little sort of lines here. Just gonna bring my pen up this way up to about there. And I'm just going to draw a nice little line in around there. This then sort of joins up to that midsection of the coat around here. Get my black pen out and we'll just sort of colour those bits in there. Again, it's very sort of black and white sort of picture, this one. This bit in the middle here, colour that in too. There we go. You can just add a few more little hatching bits in as well, just to sort of give it a bit of style. Cool. This part of the coat, again, there's a lot of light coming on this side, so I'm just gonna pop a few sort of cross-hatching bits along here. And then as it gets up to here, I'm just gonna widen that out a bit, like that, and then maybe just sort of draw up here, colour that point in there. Okay, these inner parts of the coat here, what I'm going to do is get my pen there, just fill in those bits around here. Let's just get the black pen and just sort of block in that colour around here. Things around there. We've got a nice sort of solid area of black there. Right. Now, as we get to sort of the collar area, sort of building it along here, this part is predominantly black here. So what I'm going to do is we'll just do a little curve from this collar out to there. Just fill that color in with the black. And then what we can do, we can just sort of hatch in. There we go. Just a few little hatches there, make all the difference. Let's go to the head. This brow of the hat is already black, but we kind of got a little sort of almost like an inverse V there. Let's colour that in. And then at the top here, there's sort of a few little blobs, a couple of little blobs at the top. Then what I'm going to do is just sort of draw in, hatching there, and then coming out either side of that hat. Just in here, I'll just draw a few little hatches there by the eyes. And then I'm going to draw a line down here, sort of from the middle part of the eye, bring it down there. A few little hatching areas out, and then I think the rest of that here is predominantly black, so let's fill that area in there. Cool. This collar part, predominantly black, so I'm just going to sort of fill in just around here, maybe just leave a little hit of white. And then around this point, I'm just going to sort of draw in a few little hatching bits just there, so there's a nice bit of white popping on there. This sort of moves up here, so I can just do a couple little hatches there. Then this point here, maybe I will just draw another little line in there. And I can just draw again a few little sort of hatching bits. They sort of start up wider at the top, or higher at the top, and then go along like that. This point here, I'm going to bring my pen up like that, and then just sort of draw in lines like that. Same with these trousers. This is like, gets tricky now, so I'm just going to sort of hatch these bits in here, and then hatch these bits in here, just some nice lines along there, working up. And then I draw a line that goes up here, down through there. And what I can do is sort of fill those areas in with the black pen now. Just grab that black pen. Just sort of fill in, block these areas in. With the black pen, just swap that over. There we go, nice and blocked in. The leg here, I'm just going to go on the edge on that side too, so there's just a bit of differentiation so you can see the legs, almost like a little bit of white occasionally. And then I can fill in that middle part there. Just like that. There we go. This leg area here too, what I'm going to do is just sort of draw a little light line around that belt like that, and then just fill it in again. Nice, okay, it's coming together. When it gets to the boot, same sort of thing. I'm gonna just draw a little chip of light so you can just see the edge of those boots there. And then I'm gonna draw it quite reflective. So I'm just gonna draw a little line up in the middle. Same on this side, sort of draw a line down there and around. Maybe there's just a couple of little sort of lines in for style-wise, and then just gonna fill that in. The boot on that side, fill it up. What I am gonna do, just leave a little chip of light on that side there. And then as we come into here, again, a little chip of light just forming into the coat, and we can bring that along there like that, okay? Cool, okay. Just go to this collar here. There's quite a lot of light on this collar area, so I am going to just fill in a little chip of black there, a little chip of black there. The rest of it, I am gonna just sort of fill in some lines like that. There we go. Maybe just a little hint on the back there. That's about it for that. And then on the shoulder area here, I'm gonna leave a line there. Then I'm gonna sort of come along the edge of this one here, around like that, and just pop in some of those little hatching lines across there. And then up just there. And then when it comes to the coat, I'm gonna draw a little piping line alongside the line we've drawn. So we've got a nice chip of white that goes along with it. And then just in here, I feel like there's a little bit of light just along there too. The rest of that from the base there, I'm gonna fill in with the pen and just block it in with the black color. A lot of inks on this Spider-Man Noir. Really nice sort of black and white one, to be honest. So quite a fun one to do. Right up to there. Go, and then in here we're gonna just fill these areas in. Here we go. Right in there. Let's just sort of finesse that collar there. Maybe just come in a little bit more for the collar. I think that looks good. So those bits are done, and it's just got a little sort of like part of the coat sort of belt loop sort of down here. I'm just going to draw a little swoosh of that just on that side, and then on here I'm just going to do the same thing. So I'm just going to draw a little swoosh there. I'm going to come out a bit and in, just thicken that line up, and then just draw a few little lines in there as well, just to add a little bit more detail on that one, okay? And I think that's about it. So there we go. That is Spider-Man Noir from Marvel and from Fortnite. Hope you like the picture. This is a good one to do, sort of very black and white, a lot of inks. Quite tricky, but also at the same time quite a nice, like, fun one to do. Just gonna colour that belt loop in there, like that. And then maybe just a little touch, sort of just a few little lines in there actually. Yeah, and there we go. There's Spider-Man Noir on Art Draw. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.